Okay, average directional index or ADX. So ADX is another oscillator indicator that we will be using. This indicator you will find once again on top in your indicator list. We will go down to trend and then you will find it over here, average directional movement index, right? So we click on that, then once again we have this tab that pops up where we can customize our indicator. Okay, so I'll click OK and then I'll have this indicator that pops up over here. Just adjust this a bit smaller so that it makes more sense, that it's not as stretched out. So what the ADX represents is whether a market is trending or not. The ADX indicator will never show you whether the market is, or will actually seldom show you whether the market is in an uptrend or downtrend on some trading platforms. However, with the specific ADX indicator, we've got this red and green line, which is the D plus and the D minus, which will show us whether we are crossing over from an uptrend to a downtrend. We also have the ADX line, which is this white line over here, which then shows us whether we are in a strong market or if the market has broken out from moving sideways, right? That will tell us if we are in a strong trending market. So how this works is when the ADX line or the white line, as well as the red and green lines are below the 25 level over here, it shows us a market that is moving sideways. So there's no actual direction in the market, or the market is just ranging, right? So it doesn't give us any clear indicator of buying or selling opportunities or clear indications of whether it is a trending market. Only when the ADX line crosses above the 25 level, right, will this tell us that the market is now forming a strong trend in whichever specific direction. So as you can see here, the green and the red line has crossed over each other. For this D plus line or plus DI line, I colored it green, so you can actually see that this is a line that represents whether the market is forming an uptrend, and the other one is red, which shows a downtrend. So when the green is above the red, in theory this would show you an uptrend is busy forming. When the white ADX line moves above the 25, this now in theory confirms to you that we are now entering a strong uptrending market. Right, the opposite would be for a downtrending market. So as you can see over at this position over here, we've got ADX which is lying below the 25, right? As you see, the green and red line crosses over each other. The red is now above the green, and the white ADX line breaks up above the 25 level. Right? As the ADX line breaks up above the 25 level, we see that the market now breaks downwards and continues forming a strong downtrend. So that is the basics of how to use the ADX or average directional movement index indicator. Also, the most important thing that the average directional movement indicator or ADX indicator shows you is also when not to be taking part in trading in the market. And that is a key rule that we need to remember. When ADX is below the 25 mark, we do not want to be entering any kind of trades. So for example over here, where we've got this whole flat spot, if we go up, we can see that the market is actually lying in this flat area over here, and it's forming no solid trend upwards or downwards. We're just moving up, down, up, and then down. There is no solid trend that is forming over here, except for at this position where the red crosses above the green and ADX actually breaks above the 25, and the market starts forming or confirming a downtrend and the market actually does break down all the way, right? So that is how the ADX indicator works, and it is a very important indicator. Like I said, mainly to identify when the trend is strong and also to keep you out of the market when the trend is weak, and that happens when ADX is below the 25 level.